Hey, what's up, y'all? So we got Hurricane Wisdom Major Payne official video. Now I'm gonna check this out and give my honest opinion. So before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and let's begin.
Dante, you snapped on this one.
Oh, got one rain and major pain. Ask me why I put in pain. I put him on still the same. I swing his dog, you feel his flame. Pass this bitch, squeeze, squeeze. Ask him how he got that name. I kill a nigga, kill for free. Bitch, ask me how, cause I got famous.
He said I could get a nigga killed for free because I got fame. Now that's a different level, cause first of all, killing somebody for free is crazy. You feel what I'm saying?
Big for mine, hey, Cardi two-tone, got the skin for mine. He said he was getting money, had to say that that's a lie. I said, yeah, you approach your brother, knowing that he did for mine. Say, you ever went fuck up a store? Just left Louis V, 17 straight out the door. Could've bought some land, bitch.
He said 17 straight out the door.
Yeah, say some more. Yeah, think I'm raising money, this dog shit all on the floor. And I got way too much power, bitch, be scared to tell me no. There's 1,000 horses in this bitch, I'm scared to take it slow. Okay, roll the flash, burn the blast, this shit all on the floor.
Oh, that's on Nino Payne.
This little bitch out the crib, she scared to be a hoe. Okay, I ain't scared of mine. Rolly green face, my nigga, I ain't scared of time. Take shit out with friends, had to say that that's a lie. Okay, lil' bro, that's not your bitch. Pour him water, they cut down. Got one rain and major pain. Ask me why I put in pain. I put him on still the same. I swing his dog, you feel his flame. Pass this bitch, squeeze, squeeze. Ask him how he got that name. I kill a nigga, kill for free. Bitch, ask me how, cause I got famous. Oh, and I ain't after bid for mine. Hey, Cardi two-tone, got the skin for mine. He said he was getting money, had to say that that's a lie. I said, how you approach your brother, knowing that he did for mine.
Dang. Hey, he done brought the people out in this video. They on top of trucks. Okay, so that's it for the song, you feel what I'm saying? It's a cool song. I say like an 8 out of 10. Music video, 8 out of 10. Shout out to Hurricane Wisdom, you feel what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.